Hello, students. So, the Directorate General of Armed Forces Medical Services has finally announced the release of application for the Short Service Commission in the Army. Now, all those who have given NEET 2025, I'm sure you must have read the prospectus, and during form filling, you must have seen a column which said whether you want to be a part of the armed forces and participate in the army interviews. If you put a tick there, then this is the chance. The DG, the Directorate General of Armed Forces Medical Services, has finally said that 18th August onwards, they will be releasing out the rules, the prospectus, everything about how to get selected in the army, join the armed forces as a captain, upgrade your life, upgrade the quality of services, and be a part of the armed forces. Now, for those who don't know about it, let me tell you briefly. So, army gives you the opportunity to work with them as dental surgeons. BDS are preferred a lot. Yes, their seat is open for both BDS and MDS, but please don't think that MDS will be given a priority. BDS doctors are given a big priority because they have to fill their MDS seats also. Okay, Army is also having MDS seats in two of the colleges in the country, which is FMC Pune and another hospital down south. So, they want BDS people who are smart, who are medically fit, who have the right aptitude, who have presence of mind, who have a good knowledge of the subject. Okay, so the army gives you opportunity to be a dental surgeon with them through two routes. First is the short service commission. So you will be taken into the army for 5 plus 5 plus 4. Now what is 5 plus 5 plus 4? Initially, it will take you into the short service commission. If you work nicely, you will be given another extension of 5 years, which will make it 5 plus 5, and a third extension of 4 years, together making it a service of 14 years. During the second year of your short service commission, you will be asked whether you want to be a permanent part of the army. So that is called a permanent commission. So in the second year of your service, you will be given an opportunity to be a part of the army permanently. Okay, it's your choice if you want to be a part of the permanent commission or quit in 14 years with a short service commission. So, how do we get selected there and be a captain in the army? Whether it's a BDS or an MDS, you will always begin your career as a captain. Very good salary, very great perks, and of course, the opportunity to be a part of this esteemed organization for your life. Alright, so the NEET score is the primary criteria based on which they will make a list. So if they have around 100 seats, say for example 100 seats, so they will call 4 to 5 times extra people. Okay, they will shortlist 4 to 5 times extra people. So if 100 seats are there, they will call around 400 or 500 people. They will shortlist so many people. Out of those shortlisted people, they will hold interviews. Now, interview is another very important aspect of selection. You will be judged based on your aptitude, your subject knowledge, and your suitability. They would want to see a person in the army who has a good personality, good behavior, good interpersonal skills, who is alert, whose mind and body both are ready for any type of emergency situations. He is fit enough and he is ready to take that fitness throughout the journey of the armed forces. Alright, so they will test you subject wise and they will test you as a person also. If you clear the interview, you will be taken up for a medical evaluation. Okay, they will do a thorough evaluation, and if you're found to be medically fit, you will be a part of the Indian Army as a captain. All right. So, what do you need? You need your NEET 2025 score. Even those students who have not scored very well, even if your score is slightly on the lower side, you can still apply for the Army Dental Corps. You never know when the opportunity strikes. Everybody who has a decent score and is willing to have this kind of a job, yes, you can apply. 18th August, the official rules and regulations will be out on the DG AFMS website. Please keep looking at this website. They will keep telling you, what are the rules, what documents you need, and where to come for interview, and what is it all about. Basically, you just have to collect your dental registration. If you have not yet registered yourself to any dental council, please do that. At least get a provisional registration certificate. register yourself to a state or a central dental council. You will need that for your interviews. Apart from that, your internship completion, your first to final year mark sheets, all these documents which you've already used in NEET entrance, the form filling, the same document will be used. Alright, if you're not fit medically, if you're a little overweight, or if there is any other thing which you can correct, like dental caries, okay, cavities should be filled. Then you will be evaluated for each and every part of your body. So from nails to teeth to hair to everything. Please start working on your fitness. If weight is an issue, start working on it. Everybody, it's not always an ailment, it's not always a disease because of which you will be rejected in the medical fitness. It can also be subtle things like weight and other things which can very easily be corrected. Okay, so start your lifestyle modifications now. Be a part of the Indian Army. Very soon, DBMCI MDS is going to release an interview with one of the oral surgeons who's been a part of the army for 8 years. And to just tell you about the discussions that we've had with this great person is, army needs good dental surgeons. Okay, you will evolve skills, you will evolve uh, things that you can learn. There is no dearth of patients. You will be sent from one part of India to other part of India. You will be in the ship when you are in the naval services. You will be in the army. You will be in the peripheral region. You will be in the big cities. You even will be sent to foreign countries for these the international kind of postings. So it's a beautiful, very, very thrilling career. You can travel all around the world as a part of the Indian Armed Forces. Of course, the badge and the uniform is another great deal. So we'll have more details around this rules and regulations on 18th of August. Till that time, keep your eyes open, eyes and ears open, get your registrations done, and work on your fitness. Again, age limit has been increased. It is up to 45 years now that you can apply. So it's a very good thing that even the senior doctors, if you want to be of the part of the armed forces, next time when you appear for NEET, you can take that column and you can be a part of the NEET just for the sake of army, not for the sake of NEET. All right. So if your scores are decent, gear your put your gears on, buckle your shoes, and step up. Start filling the forms from 18th, and be prepared for the interview. All right, medical fitness, again, I'm saying, is a very important aspect. Be ready for it. All right, all the best to all of you. We'll be doing another session on the Army Dental Corps very, very soon. If you guys have any questions, you can leave your questions in the comments here. We'll be happy to answer any questions. So, very quickly, just summarizing 3 steps. First step is the NEET MDS. Most of you have done it. Second step is the dental registration, which is the registration in the Dental Council of India. Third step is being prepared for the interview. Get yourself medically fit. Check your weights, check your eyes, check your teeth, check your nails, check your hair, check everything about your body, and keep your eyes and ears open. Till 18th August, we'll be having more news on from DG AFMS, and who knows, you can be the next Captain Dr. XYZ. Thank you so much.